Hi there, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we are going to be doing another organization project, namely tackling my Disney box full of stickers, ephemera, etc. Yeah, I kind of did a quick sort through this when I was doing the paper, so all that's left in here now are just ephemera and stickers. And you can see that I started adding some ephemera pieces to page protectors. So I didn't put these in a binder and I just left them loose in here, and that's not a good idea. So because they were just loose, they've jostled around and some of the pieces did get bent a little bit. So I did put them in a plastic bag to kind of keep them safe. I'm not sure if that's the route I'm going to go or if I'm going to add these into a binder. This is not something I use every day. So in some ways it makes sense just to keep them like this. It still works really well as far as flipping through and seeing what I have. The only difference, of course, is that it is not in a binder. So I'm gonna hold back on that, but I'm pretty sure I have more ephemera and stuff that can go on sheets. Let me pull stuff out, get sorted, and we'll get tackling this. I did a preliminary sort. So first of all, I have 12 by 12 sticker sheets. Some of these are used, some of them are more used, less so. Anything that's mostly full, I am just going to leave those as 12 by 12. Anything with like a lot of partials, I'm going to transfer over to my system of page protectors. So probably this sheet, I think there's enough on this one to leave. I'm thinking probably this one will get transferred over, so these will remain as is. I have a bunch of ephemera packs, so that's pretty easy. Those will get transferred over. I have some chipboard. So here's the deal. I've got actually more chipboard. What I did with my Christmas selection was I actually glued these onto a piece of cardboard and basically made it into 12 by 12 sheets. But what happens with some of these is that they pop out really easy. So I think the ones that pop out really easily, which I think are those ones, these ones seem to be okay. I will do the same for these set of 4, which will make 2 12 by 12s. And then these and these we will add to the page protectors. I also have this chipboard, naked chipboard. They're really big and they are not adhesive. So I think I'm just going to leave this as is as well. It's in a page protector and for the most part they seem to be holding up. The only piece that has kind of popped out is Mickey's hand. So we're going to leave that as is. And then I have these die cut pieces, which I also have the actual ephemera pack. I would guess that they're very similar. So I'm going to punch these out and put them with these, and again on the page protectors. I have some enamel dots and bling and stuff like that. I will probably transfer these over onto some sort of sheet. While I could, in theory, just mix these in with my regular stuff, these are very specific colors for the collections and they match perfectly, so I think I'm going to leave them in this box. I have some brads and some paper clips. I'm going to transfer these over into the page protectors as well. And then we have stickers. So all of these large sticker sheets, I'm just going to leave as is. So all of those I'm just going to leave as is. Anything that's still pretty much a full pack like this, I'm going to leave. I have some creative memory ones I'm going to leave. So those are just all going to go back in the bin. And then there are all these little packages. And so I will be transferring these over to the die cut sticker binder. I then have some of this felt border. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. This takes up a lot of space for the 2 little rolls, so I don't know, maybe I will come up with something else a little bit different. I also have some washi tape in here, so who knows what I'm going to come up with. I have a couple of these bins Some have wood veneer. There's some chipboard in here. I don't even know what's all in here. Whatever I can transfer to something else, I will, and I will let you know when I get to that. And then I have pocket cards, and I'm going to go through those and see if there's any that I want to purge. I've got a big job ahead of me. I also had in my stash these little stickers. They're all Disney Princess ones. I think what I am going to do with these is just get rid of them. I do have to document a tea party that I hosted for my nieces, so I will transfer that over there for now, and then once that is documented, whatever's left over I will purge. And I don't think I need to keep this little page or this little scrap. I think I am going to purge this as well. I will get to work and come back and show you how it all played out. Okay, so I am actually going to purge all of these pocket cards. They are from the various Say Cheese lines. I have done at least 2 albums using these, plus I have a lot of the papers with the cut aparts. I really don't need these. I kept a few, and I'll just show you which ones I kept. I kept some of these transparency ones just because they're different. So I've kept those. And a couple 3x4 cards. So nobody can be unsheared with a balloon. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And then mostly ones for documenting or journaling. Those who do not believe in magic will never find it. I just really like this card. More journaling boxes. That's primarily what I kept. And then of course some really more Mickey oriented ones. So keeping, purging, and I feel really good about this. Okay, so other things I'm gonna purge are these epoxy clips and pins, and then the Say Cheese decorative clips. I'm going to get rid of both of those. I also have some little stickers and stuff that I will be getting rid of as well. This was from an old Creative Memories, I think, collection, and you punched out the Mickey head, but I actually kept it as a stencil, and so I am going to hold on to that, and I am just going to stick that in this bin. And the same goes with all these iridescent little Mickey heads. A friend of mine gave me some of those, so we'll tuck those in there. I have a couple pieces of flair, and I am not going to stick those in my binder, so those will go in here as well. All of these chipboard pieces, unless there's some that I decide I'm going to purge, will go in the binder. I have some of these squares and tags. These will all go in the binder. I also have some punched out circles from the Say Cheese paper will also go in the binder. And I have a full package of these buttons, but they are like a sticker button. So I think I'm just going to add these to the binder. And then these are all pretty generic, so I think I am just going to add these into my stash. So, and then the washi tape I'm probably going to do something with, I'm not sure. I'm going to put that with these felt pieces. Let's move on to the next thing. Thought it wasn't too bad. Probably just took me a couple evenings watching some YouTube videos to get this all sorted out. Basically what I have done is I have added the chipboard. Again, I added that to a cardboard backer, so it now forms a 12x12 sheet. I have it in a page protector. So I have 2 of those. I've got my 12x12 sticker sheets, and then that piece of naked chipboard. And then I've got some stickers that are really mostly still all in their package, and so I didn't add them to my die cut sticker binder. As I use these up, if I have pieces left over, of course they will transfer their way across. I have this felt title. I'm just going to leave that in here. And then everything else I did end up putting in a binder, so just to show you how this turned out. I've got brads and some chipboard and ephemera at the bottom. Of course the brads are punched through the cardstock. And I do put them in a page protector just purely so that they don't snag on anything else. That is another thing that I have done. If I have any stickers and stuff that I feel are sticking to each other, because I did a sloppy job ungluing, I will stick a page protector in between, you know, just to help with things. So then I've got stickers and my buttons and puffy stickers, some of the rhinestones. I chose to put the regular enamel dots in with my regular collection. I changed my mind on that. And then more chipboard, and then all my ephemera pieces from all those packages. Now I can easily flip through, see what I need. If I need to just easily pull off, if I need to put back on, I can do so as well. And I am pleased that this binder fits in this box, so I don't have to have this on my shelf. And because it's such a specific topic, I think this is perfect. If it was, say, florals or more everyday kind of things, I would rather have that out than in a box, just so that I would use it more often. And I have one bin left with embellishments and stuff that don't really work well in the binders. So I've got some flair, like I said before, those clips with the bows on them, a few Project Life cards, and then these felt borders. And I took the washi roll and rewound it on this card so that I don't have that thick chunky washi roll floating around, and that all fits in the bin, and that fits like so, and I still have a little bit of room to spare. So that, my friends, is my Disney ephemera stickers, brads, you know, basically Disney embellishments. I hope this inspires you to tackle something in your space. Again, little bite-sized pieces will eventually lead to big results. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I do appreciate it. Leave me a comment below how you're making out with your organization goals. And until next time, happy organizing.